First we have the DeLonghi.
Look at it.
And Yabano.
When she wastes no money, then she should buy that 5,000 coffee maker.
I prefer this Yabano than this one. I bought this one, Yabano, first. I did very like it. The only thing, I went to look for another one because of this one, the container. So we can't take it. Yabano, we cannot take it. Second, I hated DeLonghi. Look at this. Very small. Look at this, the difference. This is the difference. Look how deep it is, and look how small it is. I made coffee. This one, Yabano, I prefer this one. It's deeper and give me strong coffee. This one, little coffee, light, very light coffee. It's like water. It's not coffee at all. That's the difference. You decide.
Hello, I got this new espresso machine. I used to have a different brand, but the knob on them kept breaking. So let's hope this knob holds out. I don't know, that may be just a fault with me because I use mine every day. As you can see, it has some espresso left in there from this morning. I don't like the wand on this side. But that's just personal preference. I usually have it on the right side and the control knob's usually up here. It seems to work okay. We'll see, because I use it every day. My last one didn't last 6 months and it was gone. All right, and I went through 2 of them. All right, have a nice day. We'll see. Time will tell. Bye.
Bueno, aquí yo preparé mi café, esperando que me haga la espuma. Nada que te nada. Esto es para el café. Ok, este es para el café. Este es off y esto está supuesto para la espuma. Pero nada de espuma. No sirve.
Okay, so everything is on the left side. If you want to make foam and you're left-handed, it's on your left side. If you want to insert and lock your portafilter into place, you do it from the left side. If you want to brew your coffee, it is done on the left side. If you're left-handed, that's great.
Ilumina mi camino en este día. Sé mi luz. No puedo continuar si tú no estás.
No puedes poner así. ¿Ya la mandaste?